How to treat insomnia, the ultimate guide for sleeping well. Today, you could learn the best techniques for getting a restful night's sleep. Fall asleep like a baby again with some deep sleep home remedies. What causes insomnia? Everyone can suffer from insomnia at some point in their lives. The problem is getting to sleep. The best defense against insomnia: do not take a nap during the day. There are some common causes of insomnia. The two most common causes of insomnia are lack of proper sleep and poor body movement. Number 1. Lack of proper sleep. One common cause of insomnia is that you do not get proper sleep. This could be for a number of reasons: work and home life. A person in need of care assistance responsibility. Insomnia can cause a range of health problems, including diabetes, heart disease, heart attack, obesity, and obesity-related disorders like diabetes, hypertension, and heart disease. Poor sleep can also cause anxiety, depression, and tension. Number 2. Poor body movement. Insomnia can be caused by poor body movement during sleep. Also, someone that has restless leg syndrome, RLS, would be a problem whereby a person's limbs are compelled to move by intense, occasionally uncontrollable intentions. How to reduce stress and anxiety. The U.S. Food and Drug Administration, FDA, recently removed a mandatory product safety warning for melatonin, and it's a big move for both the company that makes the supplement and the National Institutes of Health, NIH. More than 100 adults reported that taking melatonin helped reduce anxiety and nighttime insomnia and reduce other symptoms of stress and anxiety. We have listed below in the description some tips on what to do to help you fall asleep faster and sleep better. Below in the description, a link how to sleep fast, in which many have found it a useful video for a great night's sleep. So how could you sleep better at night? Before the end of this video, we would tell you the elements of a restful sleep and some great ways to reduce stress in your life. With help and tips on how to reduce anxiety and burn fat, would be a great way to reduce your overall stress level is to sleep better. Get a great night's sleep and improve your health. How to create a comfortable sleep environment. The best mattress and pillow will be the foundation of a great sleep. Treat yourself to some quality memory foam bedding to improve the quality of sleep you are getting every night. Get better sleep with an adjustable height mattress. With a link in our description below on the best mattresses of the year, we listed the Zenith mattress, which can adjust to sleep height on both sides and maintain pressure, relieving comfort to the body with a power bed base. The best ways to add more cooling to your bed on hot summer nights can be brutal, especially if you sleep with your windows open or air conditioner cranked far too low on the settings. Learn to cool your sleep environment to get the best night's sleep possible. The ideal temperature for sleeping in a bedroom is around 65 degrees Fahrenheit, which is approximately 18 degrees Celsius. For different people, this may differ by a few degrees. Tips for relaxing your body and mind for sleep. It's as easy as following these tips for sleeping well. 1. Avoid caffeine, nicotine, alcohol, and other mind-altering drugs like codeine, etc. before bedtime. 2. Stick to a regular bedtime. Do not go to bed too late or irregular sleep schedule like napping. 3. Use a light night setting on your laptop, smartphone, or television set at least 30 minutes before going to bed. 4. Do not drink alcohol or use any stimulant before bed. 5. Avoid heavy meals late at night. Generally, food passes through your digestive system around 24 to 72 hours on average, which could be uncomfortable trying to sleep. 6. Don't sleep on your stomach or back. Sleeping on your back causes you to snore. The most preferred sleeping position has been on your side. Sleep scientists refer to this as the lateral sleeping position. 7. Avoid drink before bed. It may sound crazy, but for those with a weak bladder may have the urge to get up for the bathroom. 8. Use earplugs or an eye mask. 9. Use a sleep mask. And finally 10. Wear a good comfortable nightwear. Our tips is as follows. 1. Avoid cotton, flannel, satin, or synthetics. 2. Go for a more breathable fabric. 3. Avoid loose cotton. 4. Go for odor-proof sleep pants or pajamas. Sleeping pills, herbs, and more. We've all heard the warnings about sleep medication and how they can make you feel groggy, drowsy, and more depressed. According to some doctors, sleeping pills could make it more difficult to fall asleep, and once you're asleep, they don't really work all that well. However, we may point out that they are useful for those who wake up in the middle of the night and can't fall back asleep. We've heard that sleep medication can make it difficult to get back to sleep, or can make the symptoms of insomnia even worse. The key is to avoid these drugs completely if possible, and to try alternative remedies such as natural remedies. Try herbal remedies for insomnia. Besides the traditional doctor's prescription of sleeping pills, you should also try natural remedies that can treat the problem. The help section links in the description below has you covered. We will provide you with valuable tips for nighttime routines, natural sleep pills, and more. 1. Avoid alcohol and caffeine. The idea is simple. If you can't sleep at night, don't drink alcohol or drink any type of caffeine within a good few hours before bed, or perhaps avoid caffeinated drinks totally for a few days. If you are avoiding alcohol or caffeine, you may try adding a decaffeinated tea. But have that crave for coffee, drink 1 cup of black tea or decaffeinated coffee. 2. Limit alcohol and caffeine during the day. According to coffee statistics, the average daily consumption of coffee users in the United States and the United Kingdom is 2 to 3 cups a day, whilst coffee lovers in Switzerland, Germany, France, Italy consume as much as 5-7 cups of coffee a day. Don't go to the pub after work, as it will only increase the likelihood of a sleepless night. The conclusion to our insomnia. We've mentioned a few goals below in the video description that can help you beat insomnia. Try our Deep Sleep Home Remedies video, which is your trusted cure for insomnia to take care of your sleep. Hopefully you have learned how to take care of your body so that you fall asleep very fast at night. To learn why the right mattress is very important for a good night's sleep. Why the wrong mattress is more likely to cause sleep deprivation. Why sleep deprivation is harmful to your health. You will also learn how to keep your sleep schedule on track in such a way that you fall asleep when you should and wake up when you need to. You will also learn the best nutrition that can help you get a restful night's sleep. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on how some of our tips may have helped you to get a good night's sleep.